Okay, this is called Rua do General Ivens Ferraz. So we're gonna be walking down this street in a second. Before we do, I also want to check out this little food market right in here too. So that's gonna be our focus. Stay tuned for more of Macau Sidetracked. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's our focus right there. So before we go down this street, we're just gonna check out this little marketplace. So you got some vegetables here, garlic, 5, 6. It's about 8 mop to $1. I'm assuming those are all in mop and not in yuan because we're quite close to the border. And then they go all the way down, and then there's Qingmao, the border gate is all the way down to the end right there as well. So so yeah, we're kind of in a nice little area right here. Okay. So it's so this is going to be our target street, and we're going to see if I think that other side is going to be more interesting than this side, so we're going to try to go across. Got some old yesteryear. This used to be all over the place in Macau, these kind of tuk-tuks. So we're going to go down this way. So that's our focus street right here. Look at all those buildings right there. All this giant, they got all the cages, just like rows and rows and rows of cages all up and down in those streets. Yeah, usually on this channel, what I usually try to do is I just try to film parts of Macau. If we did that, we could get to another main street, but we're gonna keep on our focus street since that's what we're gonna label it anyways. There's some food choices. Nails. Kind of a spicy, I think that might be Sichuan. Yeah, I think that is Sichuan. So this one right here is, they have a panda with a little thing, so that's probably a Sichuan food. It's pretty cool. Look at all these spices right in there. All that red. There's some people eating as well. So that's gonna be a spicy restaurant right there. Okay. Mr. Meat. All meat right there. So here's a supermarket in there. I usually don't film in supermarkets, but I probably could, but okay, we're gonna keep on walking. So yeah, the lights are going down, but it's still kind of nice. It's the lighting is just about perfect right now for filming, but I don't think it'll last long for that, but it is that way now. And I think what we're gonna do is end this one and probably create a new video right here. That could be interesting as well, of course. All of it could be interesting, but that was a street that we just did, so hope you like that one. It's kind of cool like that right there. Yeah, actually I should try to do more artistic filming where I can do, I think she was nervous, she wanted to walk behind me, but actually I kind of want to film this little street right here and all the stuff like that. Yeah, pretty cool. So the lighting right now is pretty amazing actually. It's like almost perfect. Not even sure where to start. I could either do the fruit part or I could do this part right here, but I think we'll end it right there. So